Okay, so hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Taurus Sun Moon Venus rising from 8th till the 14th of September. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Overall energy for Taurus people for this week is, let's see what we have. What's happening? This is the same card that came for Aries also. What are you guys suppressing? What are you guys suffering from? There is certain kind of issues that you are not letting out because you feel like nobody is going to understand, and or if I'm going to show up or express myself, it's going to show my weakness, or something is going on that is making you feel like you should freeze the pain, you should not tell anybody, and you should suffer in silence, and you should isolate yourself from everything and everyone, and don't even cry. If only you can cry and express this pain of yours in a gentle way, an expressive way to someone, you will be able to feel the release. You are going to feel relaxed. You don't have to feel like nobody is going to understand it, nobody is going to be there for you. Don't do all of this, Taurus. And I have seen a lot of Taurus, not one or two or three, lot of, I'm telling you, hundreds or hundreds, more than hundreds in readings. They keep on suffering in silence. It's very difficult for them to express themselves and heal properly. They're always like, okay, we have to be mature, we have to be grounded, we don't have to show the weakness. Actually, expressing is not weakness, it's very courageous, Taurus. So whatever you're suffering from, whatever you are trying to hide, whatever pain you are freezing, it's not worth it. It's going to come out as a volcano, or it's going to be like become ingrained in your soul, in your heart, and it's going to be very difficult for you guys to grow as a person, as a soul. So don't isolate yourself, let it come out, let the pain come out, let the sorrow come out. Okay, let's see the messages from 8 till the 14th, Taurus. 8th, we have the we are the world. So maybe you are feeling super disconnected from the whole world. So you should understand whatever you are going through right now is a collective process. We all of us are energetically connected to each other. All of us are part of the same divine source, same divine energy, and whatever is going on right now in the whole universe, in the whole you can say on planet Earth, is actually a part of the whole consciousness. So maybe whatever you're feeling right now is a collective energy of other people too. Meaning, the simpler meaning of this card is, look around yourself. What's going on? With your parents, with your spouse, with your kids. Maybe you're grabbing on their own energies. And because we are the part of the whole world, we are part of our one consciousness, you are grabbing on those energies. It can be negative, it can be positive, but try to understand that this is just not your energy, this is just not your feelings and thoughts that you are carrying with yourself. It's a collective thing, and we all are one. Hmm? Okay, the message here for 8th is, look around yourself, what kind of energies you are grabbing, and what you guys should do about it. Ninth, we have the playfulness. Okay, so on the 9th of September, the more you are going to go ahead with playful energy, like a clown. This is a clown just spreading the light everywhere, wherever it is going, and the dress is very comfy. He or she is not even bothered what other people are going to think about it, because anyways people call him clown or her clown. So what's the use of like thinking about what other people are going to think? Simple meaning is, live your life to the fullest and include playfulness in your life, include a non-seriousness in your life as much as you can, because life is nothing to be taken serious of. You're going to die, we all are going to die one day, so what's the use of taking anything so seriously? Be like a kid, be playful. I'm not saying be immature, I'm saying handle everything with maturity but with non seriousness. If this is making any sense to you, this is what I'm trying to do these days. And right now I'm hitting the rock bottom in my health. Everything was going fine and boom, something happened. I'm going to talk to you about this tomorrow. I'm going to come live and talk to you guys about it. But don't take life seriously, because it's not. You have to be a clown of your own life and live it to the fullest. Cool. 8th, ninth, 10th, we have the traveling. So right now you might be on that point of your life where you are not able to see the clear path ahead of you. For some of you it's a literal traveling, for others of you it's the travel of life, like you are trying to achieve something in your life, you are trying to start or restart something in your life, but you're not able to understand how you're going to get there. Okay, but you have the goal in your mind. The sun is a goal here. The sun is shining bright. So you will be able to see the path of whatever you are working on or whatever you are trying to achieve when you are going to take the first step. Do it step by step. Instead of having all the path clear in front of you, do it step by step and keep on going on the journey. You will be able to see the path very, very soon. Got it? 8th, 9th, 10th. 11th, we have the postponement. You might be delaying something continuously. It's like a procrastination kind of energy. For some of you, it's some kind of delay in your project or something. And it's not a bad thing, actually. The universe is kind of protecting you from something that's not there for you yet, or it's not meant for you. Okay. Second thing, you might be procrastinating some things in your life because you feel you are not ready. This is not the right time, this might not be the right action. But if you trust yourself, if you know that you should start doing something, even if it is not something that's totally ready, you can go for that. Procrastination or postponement is actually killing the energies of that something that you are trying to start or restart or work on. So do not postpone things deliberately, and if there is postponement in some things, it is actually having a deeper meaning for you that you cannot control, right? 12th, we have the suppression. What is happening, Taurus? Taurus, you think like you have the responsibility of the whole world on your shoulders. It's not like that. The more you are going to suppress your emotions, the more you are going to suppress your own energies, the more it's going to be difficult for you to deal with life in a positive way. Whatever is weighing you down, you guys need to figure it out and heal it and release it properly. No matter if it is going to take you 10 years, 10 more rebirths, or whatever, I don't know. Suppressing anything in your life is not the right thing to do. Don't do that. Take help, take help, take help, Taurus, take help. Please express yourself, please let it go, please release it. This is a very heavy and burdensome energy that you're carrying around, and all it needs is expression and understanding that you cannot be in this energy for the rest of your life. You guys need to heal it and release it, and stop thinking that you have the responsibility of the whole universe on your shoulders. It's not. You think you have that, but it's not. You have to understand this point. I might sound harsh to a lot of people, but trust me, whatever I say is actually for your highest good. And I'm not sorry at all for being hard, because I have seen a lot of dumb people and people who are in the victim mode continuously crying. They don't want to change. And then they suffer for the rest of their life, and then they blame the whole universe. I just want my people to be like soldiers, that no matter what's coming out, what's happening, they are there to fight. They are there to get up and do it for themselves. Yeah? Be my soldiers, Baba. I have a dream of creating a community where we are people of 100 to 100 we community of 100 to 100 people, all coming out of the victim mode and sitting in their power and helping others to empower themselves. But the first step you guys have to take from your side. Nobody can help you. I can only motivate you, but you guys have to do it from your side. So stop suppression, stop doing all of this with yourself, stop hurting yourself. Anyways, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13th, we have the stress. Let me kill you guys. You are taking too much on your plate that you might not be able to finish, and you're trying to juggle so many things at the same time, and at the same time trying to control something that's very very close to you. And this monkey can, burst this ball or balloon anytime. You are about to blow up. Again, if you are not going to manage your things properly, if you are not going to manage the stress, that whatever stress you are going through, you are going to burst. And then that bursting is not going to help anybody. It's going to actually hurt a lot of people around you, and maybe hurt you also on a emotional level and physical level too, like maybe manifesting itself in the form of disease or something. This is a very heavy reading today, Taurus. Please work on this areas of your life. Don't ignore it. Ignorance is not bliss in this time. Yeah, finally we have a good card. 14th, the courage is there. If you have the vision that you can do something that other people might think as an impossible thing, you should have the courage and the strength to keep going forward for yourself, Taurus. For yourself. You don't have to prove to the whole world, see, I did that. No. You have to prove it to yourself that I can do it and I am going to do it. So you have to stand up for yourself. You should have the strength and the courage to pick up the pieces for yourself and keep going, no matter what's happening. But before that, whatever you're suppressing, whatever stress level you are going with is not healthy. You have to check out for that. Let me see the final guidance for you guys for this week, Taurus. Consciousness, you have to raise your consciousness, you have to expand your consciousness. Expanding your consciousness simply means that whatever is going on right now around you, you are watching it like a movie is playing in front of you. You are not judging it, you are just letting it flow, and understanding that whatever is happening is not like something that we can change or something that we can control. All we can do is consciously take the decision of letting life flow and let things happen the way they are happening, instead of trying to control them or change them or fix them. That we have to work on consciousness. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.